Hi, this is Carrie with Becky Higgins, and this tutorial will show you the fastest and easiest way you can imagine to create a scrapbook page using the Project Life app. Once you've downloaded the app to your device, click on the icon and this home screen will open for you. To start your page, click on the upper right quadrant and you'll see this design. This is design A, which is the first layout design that we created. You'll notice that there are two different colors and sizes of pockets. The teal pockets are sized 4x6 and the orange pockets are sized 3x4, which are the two basic sizes of cards that you will find in any of our collections. In order to add cards and photos, you'll go ahead and click on the pocket which you'd like to add something to. Once you do that, you'll notice that there are two icons at the top. The left icon shows photos and the right icon shows cards. You'll go ahead and choose which one you want to add to that pocket. Starting with this one, we will add a title card. So we're going to click on the card icon and it will pull up all the options that we have for kits. When you download the app, it comes with 4 full collections for free, and there are many other options to choose from that you can purchase, with more being added every month. We're going to go ahead and choose the Midnight Edition. And then, because we're in a 4x6 pocket, it will show us all of the card options that we have for adding to that pocket. We're going to go ahead and choose a title card. And you'll notice when we add that title card, we'll click on that and it will show us the edit icon with the little pencil. That shows us that we're able to add text in that area. So to do that, click on the edit icon and it will pull up all of your text and journaling options. We're going to leave these just as they come in the app because that will be taught to you in another tutorial, all of the different variations that you have for journaling. But for now, we're going to go ahead and just add a date. Once you've entered your text, go ahead and click on the teal X on the far right of the journaling options and it will bring you back out to see where your card is. If you notice you've made a mistake, you can always go back and edit your text at any time by clicking on the edit icon again. Now, to add photos, all you'll do is click on another pocket and it will give you the option again to add a photo or a journaling card. This time we're going to choose photo. When you click on the photo, it will pull up all of the photo albums that you have available to you in order to add photos to your page. You can see here that I have synced a lot of different photo albums to this iPad so that I can use them for display purposes, but you'll have access to whatever photos that you have in your camera library, your camera roll, any shared albums that you may have, and you can even see at the bottom you have the option of Dropbox where you can save photos to Dropbox and bring them in from there. But for this page, I'm going to go ahead and choose photos from this album right here. And you'll see down here that it shows all the different photos that are available to me in that album. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a photo and add it to my page. I'll do the same with my other 4x6 boxes. So I'll click on the box. My photos are still pulled up. I'm going to go ahead and add a photo, and I'll do the same with the one on the bottom. Now that all my photo spaces are full, I'm going to go ahead and add a journaling card. So starting on the orange pockets, go ahead and click on one of those. Click on it a second time and it will give you the option to add a photo or a journaling card. We're going to click a journaling card. And because we're now working with a 3x4 pocket, you'll see that all the cards that are shown below are the 3x4 size and something that will fit in that pocket. I'll go ahead and start adding cards to these spaces one by one. And since I'm working with the same, I can make it really easy by just continuing to add and add and add cards as I move along the row. If you stay on the same pocket and click on a different card, you'll notice that it changes each time because you're still working in the same pocket until you move on to the next. Okay, now that I have my cards added, you can see that I can go back to the card. When I tap it again, it'll show my edit options for journaling. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and I'll enter some text. All right, we're going to come all the way out of our page by clicking on the center, and it'll show the full page design right there. Of course, you can add as much or as little journaling as you want, but just to keep things basic, we're going to leave it just like this and show you how you can finish your page and close out. By clicking on the X in the upper right-hand corner, it will actually remove your page. But if you would like to export or share your page, the bottom right box with the arrow, when you click on that, it gives you the option to export or share your page. When you export your page, you have the choice to export at 12 by 12, 8 by 8, or as an editable backup. The best way to save for final and printing is always going to be 12 by 12 because you can print at a smaller size because it will still be a higher quality image. If you're wanting to back up your page so that you can add it to another device or that you might want to make changes later, then choosing the option of editable backup is the best option for you. Once you export the design, it actually creates a new album in your photo library for the Project Life app, and it will also save it to your camera roll. If you would rather share it, click on that same icon and click share. And from there, you're able to share it anywhere like Facebook, Instagram, shared photo streams, or other apps that you might have installed on your device. And then what you'll do once you're finished is go ahead and click on the X in the upper right-hand corner, and that will exit. You can see right there that it saves your page to your library. Not only that, as you're working, it's continually saving your page to your library, so you never have to worry about losing any of your work. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it's helped you understand exactly how you can create quick and easy scrapbook pages using the Project Life app.